Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow like color changing effect on CapCut PC. So I am going to use this as the video. I'm just also going to go to library and I'm going to add a wide stock video, freeze frame that, and add it as the overlay. And then go to effects and search for color negative. And add that to the video. Maybe just the speed a little bit here. Oops. Okay. Wow. Need to free up my storage space. Anyways, just going to place it there for a bit, and then I'm going to search for neon. Just going to add that on the video. I'll copy and paste it first. You can adjust the atmosphere here. I'm just going to leave it, and I'm also going to add in edge glow. And you can also add in a black and white filter to it. Then you're going to add that on top of the video. Go to blend mode and select linear burn. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and go to blend mode and select screen. And you'll have a color changing neon outline. As you can see here, you can adjust the opacity of it if you'd like to. You can also add in the angel one on the video itself. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!